look, top floor, lifestyle, chef and boy, I'm cooking up.
Hi everyone, my name's Ezra. I use he, him pronouns. I look after member experience here at Team TGen, and I'm one of the newest coaches to join the team. I want to be a coach because when I started my own strength journey, I didn't feel like there was a safe space to be a beginner until I started as a member at TGen myself, fell in love with strength training, and I really just want to share that with my community. The best part of coaching for me is being able to connect and be that safe person for people in community. Fun fact about me is that I'm a father of 3. I have 3 cats, but I love animals in general. I love sports, any kind of sport, but my religions are AFL and rugby. I am the coach that is going to help you live your authentic life.